Severe weather brings widespread destruction to Sicily, Italy. A powerful storm system has brought severe weather to Sicily, Italy, causing widespread damage and disruption across the region. The extreme weather conditions have affected several areas, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The Aeolian Islands have been isolated due to the bad weather and rough sea conditions, making it difficult for residents and tourists to access the islands. In Palermo, fallen trees and power outages have been reported, causing disruptions to daily life.
Live da noto.
The port of San Giovanni le Cosi in Catania has been destroyed by the storm, with strong winds and heavy rainfall causing significant damage to the infrastructure. In Pelagonia and Riposto, flooded roads have made it difficult for people to move around, with rescue operations underway to assist those stranded. In Randazzo, the Annunziata stream has overflowed, isolating 15 people who are currently awaiting rescue. Meanwhile, in Syracuse, strong winds and tornadoes have caused significant damage to buildings and infrastructure, leaving many without power or access to basic necessities.